In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to add bot to your Discord server from computer and from mobile. First of all, let's see the process on computer. On your computer browser, make sure to open Discord and sign into your account. And now to search for bots, we will use this website top.gg. This is a popular website where you'll find Discord servers and bots. All you have to need in the search box, just search for the bot that you want to add to your Discord server. So here's I'm searching for Mi6 bot, and this is the actual bot we are looking for. So I'm just clicking on invite, and here select the server in which server you want to add your bot and just click on continue, and here click on authorize, and click on login with Discord. Click on authorize, and I'm going to the server, and as you can see, the Mi6 bot has been successfully added, and here we can see the bot. So that's how we can add bot to our server on computer. And now let's see the process on mobile device. And now on your mobile, you have to open a browser, and now just type top.gg. Once you are in this top.gg website, you can search for a specific bot to add. Just tap on the bot that you want to add and just tap on invite. And here, if you're first time, then here you have to sign into your Discord account using your Discord account login credential. Once done, add to server, tap on this drop down and select the server in which server you want to add the bot, and then just tap on continue, tap on authorize, and ensure that you are a human. Once done, as you can see, I've successfully added the bot in my Discord server. So that's how we can add bot on our Discord server from mobile and computer. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.